How to fix Play Store authentication required. Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Google Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go and open apps. Here you have to search only for Play Store. When you found it, just open it like this and go to storage option. Here go to clear data, click on it and click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. Now go to remove permission. If app is unused, click turn off and turn on it again, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.